This project we will be cutting 2 feet up from the stem wall and replacing it by firming it in. As you can see, the bottom of the logs here are rotted because of the house being built and the logs positioned vertically. The rot has basically taken over, and this is going to be quite the project. And the objective here is that they will have the framing up that we're going to put in rocked with river rock, and should look very nice by the time we're done. This is our guide we'll be using to run a circular saw that we will chainsaw up to make the final cuts into the logs before we frame up.
Try to hit that button.
Here we have one of the walls that we have completed. As you can see, we have put metal strapping on there. We've gone back and put a wood preservative on the back, so everything will look and be preserved as it should be. The masons will come in and take care of the rest of the work here. We've insulated the framing and put up some boards so the masons can come in and stone this area we've worked on.